All right, guys. So we're out here on some good flat asphalt, and right now the drift wheels are still on. And I just wanted to get some more room and see how this thing does. Oh, I'm out of breath from running. Well, guys, I am definitely surprised about this thing. It drifts super well, for being a toy grade and all. I got one more battery with me. We're going to go ahead and change that out and put on the rubber tires and see how fast she goes in a straight line. Now, unfortunately, I did forget my GPS, but I'm sure we can get a rough estimate if this thing's going 25 clicks or not.
Bing, bing, bop, boom, pow.
All right, we got the rubber tires on, and they're pretty darn stiff, but I think they're going to offer a little bit better than the plastic wheels. And by the way, these things are actually wearing really nicely, but it looks like they've lost like no tread. Well, not tread, but plastic thickness. Anyways, let's see how this thing does. Well, that is definitely not 25 kilometers an hour. I'm going to say maybe that's, I don't know, maybe 9 miles an hour. Meow. But it definitely steers pretty darn good. Its turning radius, I'm pretty happy with. Meow. Well, there's not much really to say. There's no suspension tuning to do. There's, it's just toy grade. Okay, as a drift car, this is great, but as a little driver, it's definitely lacking on some speed. And overall range, let's see how far away this thing can go. It's still going. That's where it gave up. Either that or it's stuck. Well, oh, there we go. Okay, so the range was probably 70 feet or so, 80 feet. Well, as always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.
And upon editing, I don't know much about skateboards, but this thing almost did a kickflip.